people often ask us, what estate planning documents does someone actually need?
That's a great question, Madison, and one we get all the time. Everyone really needs a will. That's a document that says how you want to distribute your assets, and it's also how you name guardians for your children, trustees, and executors. Even if you use a revocable living trust, you need what's called a pour-over will.
What about powers of attorney? Are those just for certain people?
Actually, most people could really benefit from a durable power of attorney that gives someone, usually a spouse or loved one, the authority to make financial decisions on your behalf if you're ever unable to do so.
And how about health related documents? What should people have in place?
So you want to have an advance directive, right? That's a document where you spell out what kinds of life-sustaining treatment you'd want or not want if you're in a situation where your doctor believes there's no chance of recovery and you can't speak for yourself. That document also can work even if you're not in that situation, just if you can't speak for yourself. You give somebody else the ability to make decisions on your behalf and could really come in handy.
That makes a lot of sense. Is a HIPAA waiver also something people should consider?
Yeah, a HIPAA waiver allows doctors and hospitals to share your medical information with your loved ones. Most of the time, they talk to a spouse, but not necessarily to an unmarried partner, even your children, unless it's been documented. This can really create problems in a crisis.
One thing I don't think people always consider, what about after death arrangements?
Yeah, that's a great point, Maddie. It's helpful to have something in writing that says how you'd like your body to be handled, whether you want to be buried or cremated, and if you've made any specific arrangements. Sometimes people have arrangements and family doesn't know about it. So it's not a legal requirement to have this, but it can really help your family avoid confusion or disagreement during a difficult time.
So, really, it's about making things easier for your loved ones, right?
Exactly. Anything you can do now to make those tough moments a little easier later is a smart part of your estate plan, and I highly recommend it.